on a mountain top for a couple of weeks. Been living up here with a girl, says she's in love with me. I'm telling her I like the color of her hair. Been living on a mountain top most of my life. I found 100 ways to get up, but none that I like. To get down, I'm gonna stay up here till I die. Been living on a mountain top with my brother. Just been sitting up here singing songs to each other. We're both wondering when we're gonna run out of kind words to say.